Thank you so much. Welcome to Politics Today. I'm your producer, Secret. It is important we pay particular attention to what is unfolding. This appointment given by Tinubu to Bianca Ojukwu, to all intent and purpose, will not work for the good of the Igbo man. This appointment coming from a government whose record is not good at all. Their hatred for the Igbo race is clearly seen even by the blind. People want to protest because of hunger. You carry out wicked demonic propaganda that the P2B and the Igbo race are the ones inciting regime change against Tinubu. Is Bianca Ojukwu going to work in the same government with Bayo Ononoga, who had never said anything that will move Nigeria forward, who had never said anything that will bring unity? Yet, Tinubu is behind him and has not cautioned him or punished him for anything he has said in the past. Is Bianca Ojukwu going to work with Oluremi Tinubu, who said they will use Lagos deities to control the Igbos? Up till today, Redeemed Pastor had not apologized, had not said, "I am sorry. I withdraw that statement." She have not said so. Let somebody present evidence if she have ever said so. Bianca Ojukwu, our beloved sister, Ezinne, are you going to work with this government? This government that is holding Nnamdi Kanu. Appeal court said, let him go, he is innocent. Up till today, they are still holding him. No charge against him. They'll come up with cook charge here and there, from one amendment to the other. All these years, they have not been able to find anything the court will admit as reasonable. Yet they are holding him. Is that the government you are going to work with? Bianca Ojukwu, are you going to work with the government? Under their watch, Igbo must go campaign took over Lagos. Bianca Ojukwu, we are asking you, those who campaign that the Igbos must go, who among them is facing persecution? Bianca Ojukwu, are you aware? As mother, you remain mother of the Igbo race. Are you aware that when Igbo leader in Lagos was not happy about the persecution of the Igbo race, the attack on the Igbo race during the 2023 presidential election and the governorship election in Lagos State, the burning of markets belonging to the Igbo race, and he spoke against it. He made a comment of the need or arrangement to protect the Igbo race from these attacks. Are you aware of his condition? Are you aware that he was arrested and detained? Those who threatened the Igbo race, find out if any of them were arrested, if any is in detention. Bianca Ojukwu, we're finding it difficult to believe whether you were actually consulted before your name went public for this appointment. And you know where they are taking you to? Minister for State for Foreign Affairs. And by the time you get there, the type of assignment they will ask you to carry out, I don't know whether your conscience will allow you go on with such assignment? Because it's a strategic appointment. Tinubu want to make a statement. Even to nations of the world. Tinubu want to use you to make a statement. To nations of the world. They want to use you to be the one, the voice that will champion before nations that there is nothing called Igbo marginalization. The voice that will speak against the people who are fighting for the freedom of the Igbo race. They want to strategically position you to be a voice that will be speaking against your people, against the interests of your people. You may not believe it now, but you will see it happen. As a prophet, I'm telling you ahead of time what you will face in that office. It will surely come to pass. That's why you need to actually consider where you are going, what you are accepting. Is that what you want to do? You see, when you served under Jonathan, we did not speak against it. Of all the appointment given to you, whether as an ambassador or whatever, nobody protested. We supported you wholeheartedly. But when you look at the body language, the actions of Tinubu's government, before and after, even before he became president, when you look at the destruction of properties of belonging to your people under any guise, for whatever reason, whether coastal road or whatever, or clearing the canal, or land grabbers in Abuja or whatever, and you see properties worth billions of naira coming down in this time of hardship, belonging to your people, being pulled down. Is that what you will contend with as a cabinet minister under this government? Bianca Ojukwu, we want you to think again. We want you to think again. We are not against you accepting an appointment. You have accepted before and we did not speak against it. We are talking about the body language of the government you are going to work with. That's our concern. If any other person was president and he believes in Nigeria and has an open heart, he carrying every Nigeria along, oh, good and fine, you serve that government. But this government have perpetrated unmanageable calamity, abominable things against an innocent people. They have lied. They have used criminal deceit against an innocent people. They have perpetrated all manner of witchcraft against an innocent people under your watch. You cannot deny it. Bianca Ojukwu, is that the government you are going to work with? Because they will use you to do the same thing against your people. As you already know, an old woman does not grow old. In that dance, she knows how to dance. Tinubu is not ready to change. Tinubu has done nothing to contribute to the unity of Nigeria. He has done nothing. Every action so far points him as a man who does not even believe in the unity of Nigeria. And he is not ready to make any sacrifice to achieve unity in Nigeria. People like Bayo Ononoga and so on will not be working with him. Or even if they commit a blunder, you will see him publicly condemning their action. Those who ask Igbos to leave Lagos, they will be prosecuted. They will be prosecuted. But you can see the selective justice going on under this government. Bianca Ojukwu, are you comfortable with that? We are waiting. We just want to put the record before you and say, our big sister, our big mama, think again. Consider these factors. And if you are comfortable with it, it's okay. But undoubtedly, that great leader, Dim Ojukwu, there's no doubt the man will be turning in his grave in anger. to see you going to serve a government that is manifestly seen to be against your own people for no just cause. It can be proved beyond all reasonable doubt. The activities of this government so far, their campaign against an innocent people, inciting people against the Igbo race. They want Tinubu to be removed from office. They want to cause a regime change. They want to do this. Why? It's all lies. People are hungry and they want to protest. It's not the Igbos that are inciting them. It's not P2P that is inciting them. And they will garbage up all these things. You see Oro sacrifice being offered, politically motivated sacrifice, to hook your people. Force them not to come out to vote. And you are going to be part of that people, that group with that mindset. We are watching. But we are praying for you. We are praying for you that God will give you the grace to make the wise decision and say no. The weight is too much on me. I can't cope with this. I cannot accept it. Let me stand with my people. Let me stand with justice. Let me stand with equity and good conscience. Up to today, find out if there is reconstruction, rehabilitation, and reconciliation. The 3 R, find out if they were able to implement it. Find out if the Cold War against the Igbos have stopped. Find out. You don't allow this government to use you to trend. Let them not use you. As you do this, God bless you. Our sister, Bianca Ojukwu. We are praying for you. God is with you. Thank you and God bless you.